Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Their band music. Well, this is my subject today, and I got this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. Well, I want to try something I haven't done before. Well, this is black and white film. I usually colorize. I tried that last time, and I made the smudging also. And I did some kind of oil painting like image. Now, today, I want to use this pencil drawing type. Then check something interesting. Well, let me see. Change the blend mode. Well, I want to try this luminosity effect. Real shadow color right now, but I'm gonna make double 4 times, kind of darker color. Well, let's do that. I'm gonna select both group, then make group, duplicate this group image. This is the image. Then I'm gonna flatten this image. Now I'm gonna duplicate this image again. Then I'm gonna change this to multiply. Now I'm gonna merge down. Now it's looking pretty cool. Well, I wanna try once more. Once again, duplicate, then change to multiply. It goes darker, pretty much. And also pretty interesting colors. Maybe emphasize from the base black and white image, which is pretty warm tone. This image, well, that's cool. This is it. Well, that's kinda, yeah, even though we have some black dust and stuff, but still kinda cool to leave it this. Yeah, I like that. Well, from here, let's see, just fix pretty much dark image. Well, let's see if I change it's multiple now. Linear burns, more darker, huh? Linear burn, multiply. Well, let's multiply, then merge down to get one image. Now I'm gonna move this image, pencil drawing type. Then let's see, change the, okay, just leave it normal. Then turn it off. Now I'm gonna move base image. Then I'm gonna delete this group. Now we got the 3 images. Now let's see, bring this base image up, then pencil drawing type image, I'm going to turn it off. Now let's see, change this blend mode. Hey, what do you think? Linear burn. That goes pretty cool. Yeah, new finding. Well, that's pretty cool though. Linear burn max. Okay, start from here now. I like this texture. I want to paint skin tone and add color skin tones and well, okay, add layer, then change blend mode to color. Now I'm going to colorize, paint on this layer, airbrushing, medium blend. That's cool. And I'm adding some bluer color on shadow side. Bluer cast goes pretty cool. Yeah, pretty good. This blend mode is color, so I'm gonna add one more layer. No, normal. Then change the brush to drawing to evolve. Well, then I'm gonna add some key light effect. Now I'm going to smudge with the same brush, texture evolve. This is key light ring. Now I'm going to add another layer for background. I want it a little bit darkened, so let's see, overall painting. Damp brush. Interesting. Damp brush. Texture in it. Then move around. Now I'm going to add some different color though. Well, I want to saturate and desaturate this blue. This is too saturated compared to other colors. So in this layer, hue, saturation, brightness. This is word layer. Well, use pencil or change the texture of the brush. Airbrushing, soft brush, desaturated. And tone down. Maybe I can change some colors too. Well, about this much. Before, after. Change to color burn. Overlay. Took all the colors out, but I kinda like this. Just darken the surrounding. Yeah. Well, this is okay. Let me see the others. This is kind of interesting too. Overlay or divide. Well, this time overlay max. That's I'm gonna decide to save this time. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and this is it for today. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.